DōMatcha is the pioneer brand in the North American retail sector. The brand offers more SKUs and price point options than any other matcha brand. There are 4 ceremonial SKU options, 2 of which are organic. This is our preference for the tea enthusiasts that want to appreciate the smooth flavor profile of the early spring leaf pick. We recommend the traditional hot water, 80 degrees Celsius, preparation for these SKUs. With Summer Harvest, we have 3 SKUs, 2 of which are organic. The mid-late summer picked leaves have a slightly more astringent flavor than our ceremonial offerings. For this reason, we recommend this product for smoothies, as a latte, lemonade, or many other mixed matcha drinks. Our DōMatcha Masters line offers 2 SKUs. These SKUs are the highest quality matcha on the market and ideal for the tea connoisseur looking for the ultimate tea experience. DōMatcha's Masters Low Caffeine Matcha is exclusive to DōMatcha. It is the only decaf matcha on the market. This product has all the health benefits of regular matcha, with only 6 milligrams per gram of caffeine, the same as decaf coffee. It is ideal as an evening matcha drink for caffeine-sensitive individuals and young adults. Of course, we also offer all the matcha accessories, bamboo scoops, whisks, whisk stands, and bowls. Our DōMatcha steep tea SKUs are the most exclusive on the market. All SKUs are 100% certified organic, and the line uses cornstarch tea bags. Each tea bag makes 3 cups of tea, making these products very economical and great value. The 5 SKUs in this line are Girakuro, Sencha, Hojicha, Genmaicha, and Tencha. At the North American Tea Championships, our Hojicha won 1st place, our Genmaicha 2nd place, and our Sencha 3rd place. All of these products have distinctive and exquisite flavor profiles. The raw materials and production processing methods are the best the market has to offer. Enjoy!